Carol and welcome to the Lockdown Kitchen with County Fair. I know you've all been missing your roast chicken, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a buttery herby garlic roast chicken. For this recipe, you will need some onions, garlic, lemons and white wine. Now that we combined, use the wine you like to drink. You want some melted butter, black pepper, salt, mixed herbs and some garlic, and a County Fair chicken. So what I'm going to teach you to do is separate your skin from your chicken meat. What we want to do is we want that buttery flavored goodness to pocket in between the skin and the chicken meat. So while it's cooking, it's drenched in that delicious flavored butter. Sounds delicious, right? It's really, really easy. All you need is a tablespoon. Be gentle, you don't want to break through the skin. Just ease through the tablespoon. You can even do your chicken legs. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our onions. We're going to take 2 whole garlic bulbs. I've sliced them in half. So now we've got this ready, we're going to make our butter. All you need is some melted butter, salt, pepper, fresh herbs, and some garlic. Always need garlic. Give that a bit of a stir. Oh, this would be amazing on roast potatoes as well, but just perfect for our chicken. So we take our chicken and we're going to place it on top of our garlic and onion, and we're going to just open up the little envelope we created and fill it with our herbed batter. Move that all the way down. Get to see the beautiful herbs popping through the skin. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you need to tilt your chicken, make sure you do. You want all that deliciousness all the way to the bottom of your chicken. And there we have it. What we're now going to do is top our chicken with the remainder of our butter. We're going to top with some salt. I love using molten salt. And then we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. We're going to squeeze this on top as well. I'm going to place our lemon into the chicken. This is going to add additional aromatics. This is going to be so packed full of flavor. Now, with these little buttery fingers, we're going to take some string and we're going to tie up our legs. Be careful, you might need some assistance because of all the butter. And there you have it. Now, we're going to add the wine. Sip for the chef. Make sure you don't cover your chicken in the wine, otherwise it's going to wash away all that flavor. Last sip for me. Now we're going to pop this in the oven at 220 degrees for 10 minutes. The skin can get nice and crispy. Then we're going to crank down the oven to 180 for an hour until the chicken is beautiful, golden, crispy and cooked all the way through. So it's TV World, so I made one earlier. And there we have it. Beautifully, beautifully perfect cooked roast chicken. That garlic has become soft and gooey. We've got a gorgeous gravy. The chicken's crispy and it's going to be packed with flavor. What I would do is carve up my chicken, add a roux to the beautiful sauce in the pan and make the world's best gravy. Stay safe, keep cooking and follow the recipe below.